Hi, good to see you. Yeah, I just avoid going out. That's why I told you ki let's meet at the home only. Yeah, nice to meet you for the first time. Yeah, you say how's life? My Torres. See, it's like having a I feel like having a glass in my head. I can't stop myself picking things apart, twisting them around, words and sounds especially. It feels like an itchiness that needs to be scratched. I feel like having lot of lot of threads in my head, and I twitch a lot, and it's really bad. Many a times I feel like a goddamn spastic, and as much I try to resist it, it gets worse. Fool, goddamn fool, is what my head calls me out. Whenever I try to resist it, it calls me out. There are some things which, there are some things which try to control it, like gum, weed sometimes stronger. When it's really bad, and whenever I try to get lid on it, it gets worse. Whenever I'm excited, it gets worse. Whenever I am nervous, whenever I'm nervous, it gets worse. And I really don't have any answer to it. Only one good thing in my this only one good thing in my this kick in the ass brain is it listens and understands. You see, in my usual day, wheat helps to control my sounds and tics, but it makes my mind very fuzzy. When I'm in my dreams, sleeping, I feel like when I was a child. Even after this mess started happening with my head, my father would try to control it. He used to sing songs and pat on the back of my neck. That would that would made it a little better. Then he used to lie down with me, and we used to plan to different places where we'll go once I'll be fine. But he's no more. In school mein, I was worse. I was a total freak show. Nobody knew what to do with me. मेरी टीचर को मेरी टीचर को लगता था कि वो मुझे मार मार के ठीक कर देगी, तब तक जब तक मेरे पापा ने उसका हाथ नहीं मरोड़ दिया और बोला कि खबरदार अगर मेरे बेटे को हाथ भी लगाया तो हाथ तोड़ दूंगा। फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरी पढ़ाई छुड़ा दी। इसलिए नहीं कि टीचर मुझे मारती थी, बट इसलिए क्योंकि मेरी वजह से बाकी बच्चों की पढ़ाई डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी। एनीवेज, पढ़ के भी क्या कुछ कर लिया है। I'll just get something. See, मैं ये सब आपको इसलिए नहीं बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई आपसे सिंपैथी चाहिए या कुछ। I'm telling you ये सब because अगर आपको मेरे से दोस्ती करनी है तो आपको मेरे टिक्स के साथ भी फ्रेंडशिप करनी पड़ेगी। You have to adjust me as I am because ये मेरी लाइफ का हिस्सा है अब। I hope you understand. फिर मंजूर है तो आई वुड लव टू बी ऑफर इट.